LGBT said the make you can as a father so even I'm a happy man.
When you ready, Kafra.
I'm telling you. Because chairman, for the life of me, tias here the Beman nipa bi adwena ye ne say. Hwe. Pretty Joyce it hey. Ne honya makono hwe jare. Chairman how do I imagine jare? Se Bema say ono ni wiase a obaye no. Bema na ne kon do no a opeso woni ne da. Yes we nye yare. And then we are struggling odibe say welem wede. Chairman 2024 obi obeka kire o say LGBT whatever it is no. Na enye key issue in deciding the fate of that election no odi bi oka. Where the clergy, Christendom, Islam and a traditional ifo ni nyina sorry tia MPP because President Akufo-Addo was not courageous enough and sign. And I almost so crying you almost say and say time of parliament we a bill no also one sign on. Now who kwan say bill no o my de brew. Yeah. Now what throw back and the old memo of parliament back say bill now mo de buy and me
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba e de baga na nsem TV so. But more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba also on sa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa. Say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me e ofen na person boan which are through number na wase no adaroma in sabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pounds so. Now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, not of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
LGBT said the make you can as a father so even I'm a happy man.
When you ready, Kafra.
I'm telling you. Because chairman, for the life of me tias here the Beman nipa bi adwena ye ne say. Hwe. Pretty Joyce it hey. Ne honya makono hwe jare. Chairman how do I imagine jare? Se Bema say ono ni wiase a obaye no Bema na ne kon do no a opeso woni ne da yes we nye yare and then we are struggling odibe say welem wede chairman 2024 obi obeka kire o say LGBT whatever it is no na enye key issue in deciding the fate of that election no odi bi oka where the clergy Christendom Islam and a traditional ifo ni nyina sorry tia MPP because President Akufo-Addo was not courageous enough and sign. And I almost so crying you almost say and say time of parliament we a bill no also one sign on. Now who kwan say bill no o my de brew. Yeah. Now what throw back and the old memo of parliament back say bill na mo de buy and me hwe mu no ma hu we monya hu adwuma yes I mean sign and now he could have referred it to Council of State some hwe wa anya sa and whatever happened when to me answer me no dey ahinkan we were never silent in this house papa because that is principle
Sure
chairman ade mo na mo say ade enye no
enye ukapenfo
how on earth will you say enne we enye echina de eye na me nipa wo yes na me hu wa ho me mfa o serious bio so wo yes na me hu say enne wo ba adwuma wo hu say chairman general say blue shirt wo say blue enye eye kala enye wo wi say ni say nipa wa adwene ye adwuma wo she Matthias here ade ye hia na wo de wo upon blue shirt
say o say enye priorities
and the time one now or no president Akufo-Addo men say on sign on priority when like now chairman, the greatest deception and the President Mahama, Sam George, any NDC for another Sabren, almost President Kufa, Meme can be no. Na omo no omo de omanya kwan ya adwuma of parliament dan nim say in the life of a parliament se bill bi ba na president sente na se sa parliament ni free ho a bill no awu this year sabe she bibia se foforo what is our conversation they never said that all they said was that motoma ye ne ye ba ya mesan
Because President Mama will know no peace from me, Sam George.
And indeed, on President Mama Nankasa so can say, why assemblies of God ni gideate motoma me ba ya mesan motoma me ba ya mesan chairman hwe Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference on me no ma ye adwuma bibre ni ade kakra na chairman say when omu si jina omu take a decision on issue a no they are so convinced say ade we say ne say no be bia no abaka bishops you better say chairman go to heaven and come but omu so omu jina no e ho no omu jina and time no omu take a decision about LGBT no you could see that anger in them in the Catholic Bishops Conference. You could see it say because eye chiwade eye musio yenka eye de eye moso nka nipa ho yet yenya Sam George nom okudeto nom President Mama himself Sameja Mfinom in fact everyone you may not about Sam George videos you are say a vote for Baumia and Napo a vote for TTT. So kika sanya mani nyina knowing very well say sa bill no a 8th parliament nantima anya ho adwuma nwie no say sa parliament no kwa 9th no ba just osan sha ase foforo now see the irony enema na wo bill no ma na mo gina president Akufo-Addo so say on sign no mo de mo ba ya mo see enema bi wo sa bill no mu a ese say ye free mu a ansa na assign
and you fan okoto de
what are you saying
nyanya nche de mfa nko
chairman bi on do mbo obi anyi bibi free.
Samre no na still petrol le kosoro na ye free covid mu aba ye ni abri ye tiri ho na ye hu ne ye nye ye hu okrom ha ye wo pertinent issues serious issues any ye say Australian commission say hwan akwa hia nkrofo bi wo baabi fiti hia Sam George say on ti ase kiki chese en le kofa LGBTQ nsemi bayi
what's up president Conde
me dem ba enka yan conversation hu okrom ha o man we na nkenka ho afedi wi ba ya de som ye nyina ya som ena no pa ye sori ya be pe asempa pa bi ye ni abri ko pa aduane ye di ya ko pa bibia ye se da bi yet na o man mu ha yusu ye nyina ye time e de kan asem we enya Sam George o me meba Sam George din because on na ye lead e hwiri gina mu e ko ho demonstration e kan sama kese a ye nka wo kruma o kan ye to the extent say ye run anado danko Akufo-Addo he is a practitioner of LGBTQ
categorically
okay on TV3 be video de mam me say actually baby o kan TV3 na do nua bi
he insinuated it or he categorically said that. I am quoting
verbatim me kan ni o kan ye straight Sam George kan wo TV3 say ye run anado danko
in what context
meba ye run anado danko Akufo-Addo as president of Ghana or ye practitioner che say LGBTQ no o man na ado sa me no 78 79 years no or ye practitioner now ye practitioner fi say or say bill no on sign bill na nko nanim no on sign na ye ra na do danko Akufo-Addo ya brantie na no ko school na ne papa sa me ne papa ye president on so di ko school in London no ni nua ne cousin bi ewo abrochire on no kotena ne nche sa ne cousin no or ye LGBTQ in fact o chere say ye fa the world 100 LGBTQ for mu wosika na do cousin ne ka ho enti ni nua ni nti ye ra na do a part of the people who practice it to a person sign. Sam George jamu asem na matu ni verbatim mama. Ma say translate o kana brofo. Sam George.
Well, do you have any so a chere say it was a determinant?
Say nyina so onu ani so ban na kire yen ena Sam George fi ase na nka yen so bi expect say kan DC mu mpanyinfo wom including President Mahama Eti come my friend say hey me dey jani awo kire no ne woni my pertinent issues discuss wo kroma e den no enso da bi ye wura ye ndura mahama e boa no
on a regular day of pertinent
BTQ now. On Sam George, he make sure say Mampeni will know no peace in this country. Onya sum dwempo no de bomwana maye. Sam George na to sa won no. Mampeni abeka kire say LGBTQ no enye hia de. Sam George way.
But Mampeni can was say near me here a teacher ya accommodate school called Ejuma. Sanya mani ya no wa.
And apomode na den na yale chinse be ma fa no nyonko be ma.
Me say
Yale bia no chinse be ma fa no nyonko be ma. Ada apomode. School ni say chema papa no mama titi we. Watima kura ho kakra kadu ba bia wadui. Na dia no nyama bre wabusua ne bia ka Ghana. Same mama ne papa teteme ni ma wie lego ma wie university ma wie tertiary institution na ma wie SSP ma tima bo me bre yi. Na me ko fi na be me di ma chi se me yiri ni a education be dey ama me. Okay be me nim pa me di be ma me yiri ni a. India wo me ni mampani nya agen. Me ni mampani nya agen. Intika this is the time on say Sam George and some more Kenya na odi akoma pa ena na eka no Ghana ho adwem pa. Sa biri na so ko resign say Ghana for me di intro ena kire mo. Ensima me kan no
ebi anu an kan intro so. Ebi ana owogidi ni arehim say ni o kan bebe mu sa.
Abem
Enyam be mu.
na bebem. Because Galamsey ni guso aye koso. Oh my 2 weeks. Galamsey is here kwade omutu ni day afternoon anytime freedom abem obi atimi tu say Ghana one crop for soldier for say the number one enemy of this nation last week number kind say Galamsey. Why is Sam George? Why a fat and figure say good pono so. Aye nyani tu ya. Oh now champions say adwuma kase we say nyina. De wo kan nyina mem ti say o man ye serious a. Where your leadership? He doesn't make you a leader as a minister. Position go ni nkola
position ni bebre nso wa. Since ya ye to aba, ye di afio e ko nanim. You to no be from one. Mo nfa message nso a on reply no. Eti no empanifo ni bebre wo ho a on hwe ni yie. E wo NDC aban mu. Most of empanifo no won nyinya positions ni bebre no. Bebre nhwe ni yie. Because I'm not boys no bebre kasa yes sebe ye eat uti na wan kasa ho a
wan kasa uti wan ye
thank you ye you are born eti abufu wo kurom no osofukum chacha no kura pa na meka kesi ni ade no because eto da bia obi timi fra me nia na ade we kura ye ne ye se yeah any ade ye fra ho a
that you expect that their voice would have gone very far. So that is why I'm very happy that at least we know if President John Mahama, President-elect, doesn't do it, we can hold Assemblies of God responsible.
So you're expecting, is that one of the very first things you expect him to do?
Yes.
Ebusianfo we Dr. Lawrence Tete. Asema wo kan nyina ni tintin tietian say President Mahama di oya Assemblies of God ni. Na when how have you seen when we said the oya first a religious bigot? This was religious bigotry, but we see yen nyina ye nhwe tie no enei reality na set in. And he is not holding Assemblies of God accountable. Neither is he calling the president to order and I say calling the president out, say on signing. Instead, no or no claim say he is pleased or say President Mahama has won his heart. The hypocrisy. Muti your mind mu asofufo Bible na mu yisunu ekasatia oppression. And so no President Mahama baye otunenisi oba wa bonne bra justice tokunu otunenisi no so mamia bobra she has gone through the ranks akwa do chief justice. President Mahama tunenisi no so tete mame na mende mame no call pension na ni friend is an incentives or the call pension incentives scrap na bono. All of you were quiet in this country. These so-called men of God, you were quiet. And now LGBTQ na mujina su eye dede. Mujina su ki kan sem and some ke see actually say mu na mu ye saint our Ghana hanom no. Today what has happened? Why are you people quiet? Evans Lawrence Tete, you said you were going to hold Assemblies of God accountable. What happened to that? And then Assemblies of God Superintendent Nakasa Kotina TV so say that is not, it's no longer a priority. And who here? And who here your President Mama so ejina ho aka say, oh, there are a lot of needs into no sa LGBTQ and who here? The likes of Nana Bana mwe to me ejina ho aka say LGBTQ and who here munya atshum. Munya atwum ne mu bayie ne mu abayi dom na ka brechi tuntuma mu de tina oman mu anka asem nka nya asem bia o enne yeti hanom mu amusuye na levy na taxes ku ye ne yaka akwantu mu tax ne ye de abeto ye so enne da honom no enti na wo abroche